Hello everyone. Today in this video I will show you how to crochet a beautiful ruffle baby hat for 0 to 6 months. For this one I have used Mayuri from Ganga. This is a multicolored yarn. This is 100% acrylic yarn. The techniques you need to know for this project is just chain, double crochet and slip stitch. And by some increasing technique you can make this beautiful hat. So for today's project I am using some regular acrylic yarn which I got from local market. For this one I am using some 5mm crochet hook. To start, we have to put one slip knot and chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now close the ring with a slip stitch like this and make a ring just like that. Now chain 1 and start your first round. In this ring put one double crochet like that and put 11 more double crochet in that ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So now we have total 12 double crochet in that ring. Count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now close the ring with a slip stitch to the first stitch we have made, just like that, and carefully pull the leftover yarn. Now for the second round we have to increase our stitches from now. So chain 1 and put one double crochet in the very first stitch like that. Put one double crochet more in the same loop. So we have 2 double crochets in the first stitch Now we have to repeat this for the entire round. We will put 2 doubles in every stitches across the round. Just like that. So keep repeating this for the entire round. I will show you how to complete your round and how to start the next round. I have done my total round and I have now 24 stitches in total. Now we will close our stitches with a slip stitch to the first stitch we have made, like that. Now for the third round we will do the same. Chain 1 and put 2 doubles in the very first stitch, 1 and 2. Put 1 double in the next. Again put 2 doubles in the next, 1 and 2, both in the same stitch, 1 in the next. Just like that. Keep repeating this sequence for this entire round. 2 1 2 1 2 1. Keep repeating this for the end of this round. So I have completed my total round. I have 2 stitches left. In these 2 stitches I will put 2 doubles in the first, both in the same loop, and 1 in the last stitch, just like that. Now close with a slip stitch like this. Now for the fourth round we will chain 1 and put 1 single we will chain 1 and put 1 double crochet in that very first stitch. Put another one in the next stitch and put 2 doubles in the next stitch, both in the same stitch, like that. So we have to keep repeating this sequence 1 1 2 1 1 2 for this entire round. 1 1 and 2, 1 2 in the same loop, just like that. So keep repeating this for this entire round. So I have completed my fourth round with 2 double crochet increase. Now we will close our stitches with a slip stitch to the first stitch we have made. From now we will switch our hook to a smaller one. So I am using a 4.5 millimeter hook for the leftover project. For the fifth row, chain 1 and put one 2 double crochet in that very first stitch, 1 and 2, just like that. Now in the next 3 stitches we will put 1 double crochet in each, 1, 2 and 3. So we have to keep repeating this sequence, 2 1 1 1, 2 1 1 1 for this entire round. So put 2 doubles in the next and put 1 in the each of the next 3 stitches. Like that. So keep repeating this for this entire round. I will show you how to end this round and how to start the next round. So I have completed my 5th round, 1 2 3 4 5, and now I will join my stitches and close the ring with a slip stitch to the first stitch we have made. From now we don't have to increase our stitches. We will just regular double crochet in this entire leftover project. So to start our next round, put 1 double crochet in that very first stitch, and from now we will put 1 double crochet in our 3rd loop, this one. This is the first, this is the second, which is front and back loop, and in the back side this is the 3rd loop. We will put 1 double crochet in that 3rd loop, just like that. We will work in the 3rd loops of this entire round and keep repeating this for this entire round and for the next 4 rounds, and then I will show you how to add the frills like this one with the hat. So keep repeating this for this entire round and for the next 4 rounds, doing 1 double crochet in the 3rd loop for all the rounds. Then I will show you how to finish the hat. I have completed the total 5 rows of double crochet which I have worked in the 3rd loop. Now I will join my stitches with a slip stitch, and from now we will work a round of single crochet, and we will work it on the 3rd loop also, the stitch behind. To start, chain 1 and put 1 regular single crochet in the first stitch we have made in our previous row. just like that. Now from the second one we will work our stitches in the third loop. Just behind the loop, this one, like that. Put one single crochet in the next, put one in the next, and put one single crochet in each and every stitches across this round. Keep repeating this row to the end of this round, and I will show you how to add the ruffle rows in the end of the hat. I have completed my single crochet row, and now I will join my stitches with a slip stitch to the first single crochet we have made. Now we add 2 rows of ruffle. To start our ruffle row, chain 1 and put one double crochet in that very first stitch, and put 2 more double crochet in that same stitch, 1 and 2. So we have 3 double crochets in our first stitch, and we will put 3 doubles in every stitches across this round. So in the next stitch put 3 more double crochets all in the same loop, like that. In the next put 3 more double crochets in the same loop, just like that. Put 3 double crochet in the remaining stitches until you reach your last stitch. So keep repeating this, and I will show you how to start our next row. So I have completed my first row of ruffle. To start our second row, chain 1 and put one double crochet in that very first stitch, like that. Put one double crochet in the next, and each stitch across this round put one double crochet in each and every stitches to the last stitch of this round. So keep repeating this. So I have completed my last round of simple double crochet, and now I will join my stitches with a slip stitch and chain 1, then fasten off and cut the yarn like this, and hide this yarn tail to the wrong side of the hat. So this is the completed project. This is the basic baby hat for beginners. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you liked my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.